Hi, my name is Craig and I own Citrus Plus Carpet Upholstery and Tile Cleaning, and we have been a trusted carpet upholstery and tile cleaning and sanitizing company in Silicon Valley for over 10 years now. And we are specialists in the area of probiotic enhanced sanitizing. And we are getting a lot of requests from our commercial and residential clients asking what they should tell their company, their clients, about what they're doing to keep their place sanitary and protected against COVID-19 and other harmful germs. And so I wanted to put out this video to make it easy to disseminate some good information. So I hope this is helpful. We are getting a lot of the information that we recommend directly from the World Health Organization, the EPA, and the other major resources that are contributing their scientific findings and recommendations. And we certainly encourage you to follow those. However, what is not going to be discussed, because it's not well known at all, is how critical it is to reintroduce healthy bacterial populations into an environment once it has been disinfected and once the microorganisms have been killed in that environment. The reason why is because once you kill all the live organisms in an environment, you leave behind that protein. That is food. That is an abundant food supply for the next harmful bacterial colony to land and proliferate. By treating with probiotic enhanced sanitizers, what you do is you instantly and automatically shut off the reproduction cycle so that all bacteria are not going to proliferate into a population size that's going to be harmful. You're providing a live resource to consume all of that leftover protein that has been left behind from the disinfection. And since you're using a live product, it's going to continue working. That reproductive cycle is going to be shut off for 2 to 5 days every time you treat. If you don't do this, you are going to have an environment full of protein and food source for the next harmful bacteria to feast and flourish on as they get reintroduced into these environments. Let's remember and be real that this disinfection doesn't last very long. You're resetting the environment back to zero life, zero microbial life. And so it's only a matter of seconds where bacteria and viruses are in the air, around us, on us all the time. And so it's not if you get new bacteria in the environment, it's when you do, and when the kill effect has stopped from the disinfection, you need to protect your environment by populating it with beneficial bacteria to shut down the reproductive cycle and prevent the outbreak of bacterial infections. Because we're dealing with a virus, we do have to disinfect. That's the technology that we have. My company does not advocate for disinfection because of the problems that are associated with it when it's concerning an ongoing maintenance sanitizing regimen. But in the instance of a pandemic or a serious acute viral situation, you must disinfect because bacterial-based cleaners are not going to stop a virus. So that being said, I also want to encourage people to consider the ingredients and toxicity of the products that they choose to do the disinfection. You know, the leading brands out there are filling their bottles and their pockets by selling you alcohol, ammonia, bleach, chlorine bleach. Yes, those are effective at killing bacteria, but so is a nuclear bomb. And we're not going to go do that to take care of this. So I'm being extreme here, but I'm just saying it really concerns me how much of this alcohol, chlorine, bleach, and ammonia is being released into our environments where we're breathing the air, released into our ecosystem, and where our children, frankly, are absorbing it and breathing it. We are going to use a product and recommend a product called Benefect. We have no affiliation with that product other than having used it for 10 years and seeing how effective it is and knowing that it's 100% natural, safe for food surfaces, non-toxic, It's made from thyme oil from the thyme plant or the thyme leaf, and it is in supply. I know that there are global shortages on fill-in-the-blank name brand of disinfectants. There is available supply in a short amount of time for this product, so search the web. Benefect Decon 30 is what you want to get. You can use it on your hands, you can use it around the house, you can fog it. Again, it is critical that once you disinfect, however you disinfect, and whatever product you use, you must restore the bacterial population in that environment to a healthy one, or you are going to have other harmful bacterial populations forming and proliferating and feeding on all of that protein that was just created from the disinfection. Other than that, we're offering the common sense guidelines to help prevent the spread, which is, maintaining a meter distance between your social distance between yourselves as you're interacting in public. I like 2 meters, better safe than sorry. Using an elbow bump or a knee bump or a foot tap instead of a high five or handshake. Don't shake hands, don't high five, don't spread what is already being spread. We can still say hello in another way, and everybody understands. Beyond that, I'm really looking forward to getting back to a sense of normal, but I want to be a resource to anybody and everybody that I can during this time, because it's so unknown worldwide about how effective probiotic sanitizing is. And I know that probiotics are not effective at killing a virus. It doesn't kill anything, and they're not intended for viruses. Once we use these disinfectants, again, to deal with the virus, reintroduce the probiotics and protect yourself in maintaining that sanitary environment that you just created. This is Craig with Citrus Plus. If I can be a resource to you in any way, give us a call at 650-919-3996. I'm wishing everyone good health, good fortune, and a good day.